Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another very interesting video. When it comes to mixed numbers, that is a whole number part and a fractional part in the same number, mixed number, right? Can you add and subtract them without converting them to improper fraction? That's the skill which we are going to master in this particular video. Without having to convert mixed numbers to improper fraction, we will try and find the answer very easily, that too in mixed number format itself. So watch the complete video. Very interesting and important concept for all the school students and for quantitative aptitude exams. The video is entitled Adding, Subtracting Mixed Numbers, and this forms a part of our ebook of short tricks, which is chapter number 5, the art of manipulating the fractions. And you will see after watching this video how quickly you will add and subtract mixed numbers. And when we say art of manipulating the fractions, we have this chapter name because we are currently doing all the videos related to fractions only. So how do you get a copy of that ebook of short tricks, which contains 350 such smart methods which every school student, college student and competitive exam aspirant should know? Just send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963, and I'll tell you how to get a copy, and all these details are given in the description of this video as well. So let's see the concept used in the trick first. So we all know that there is a mixed number, right? 3 1 by 3. So you all know that we can express 3 1 by 3 as an improper fraction. 3 times 3 9 plus 1. That's what we do. 3 times 3 plus 1, and the denominator remains the same. So this is 10 by 3. This is the way we convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. But is it required when we have to add and subtract mixed numbers? Now that is the big question. Now for that, let me take first question and I will tell you how we can manipulate and simplify the expressions containing mixed numbers. So here we have two questions where we have plus sign in between. That means we are adding the mixed numbers. So what you need to do first is add the, see, I'm writing all the steps for the first question, but slowly I will skip steps and I'll show you how quickly you can do the adding and subtracting part. So all steps here. Here the whole number part is 2. Here also the whole number part is 2. In between you have the plus sign, so I will add them first and add the fractional parts 1 by 4 and 2 by 3 in the separate bracket. But I will not be doing this in all the questions. This is just to tell you the trick, tell you the concept how to handle this question. So we know that this is going to become 4, and this part is the one which I have already put a video on, that is adding of fractions which have co-prime denominators. 4 and 3, the denominators are co-prime, they don't have any common factor between them, and so adding becomes so easy. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 2 into 4 is 8, and in the denominator 4 into 3 is 12. So what is the answer for the question? 4, and then this is 11 upon 12. So plus sign doesn't matter. You have to just write 11 upon 12 and you get your final answer for the question. Likewise, if you apply it here, now there is one, you may find one change. Let's see whether that change is there in this question or not. 4 plus 1, the whole number parts will give you 5. And apart from that, you have the 5 by 7 and the 6 by 11. So add 5 by 7 and 6 by 11. Now see what happens when I add 5 by 7 and 6 by 11. This is 55, this is 42. So when I add this, I will get 55 plus 42 upon 77. So apart from the 5, which is the whole number part, I have 97 over 77. And now this part which I got here, this is an improper fraction because 97 is greater than the denominator 77. So this is not the final answer. Here I got 11 upon 12. 11 is smaller than 12, so it is a proper fraction. So this part always have to be a proper fraction, and if it is not a proper fraction, then you have to do one more step. What is that step? Just subtract the denominator like 77 from the numerator. So you will get 99 minus 77. Denominator 77 remains the same, and increase the whole number part by 1. So 5 becomes 6. And now you will see the final answer for the question will be 6, and then this is 97, right? Not 99. So 97 minus 77 gives you 20, and in the denominator you have the 77, and so the answer for this question will be 620 upon 77. Now to understand this better, we have some more examples. Here you can see we have a subtraction problem. Now this is a very important question because this will highlight one more important concept which is going to come in. Let's see. First, let's subtract the whole number part. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then we have something else. 2 by 3, the fractional part, minus 7 by 8, the other fraction. So when you do the butterfly method here, you get 16 minus 21 over 24, which is negative 5 over 24. And when you get a negative number as the proper fraction, you have one more step, because you can't write the negative number along with 2 to get your answer, right? So what do you do in such cases is just reduce this number by 1. So subtract 1 from this, and this negative number you have to subtract from that 1. So in short, you can say you are borrowing 1 from this number and writing it here. So 1 minus this will give you 24. This is 24 minus 5. 24 minus 5 is 19 over 24. And so your answer will become, this gave away 1, so this becomes 1. 2 becomes 1, and the 19 over 24 is the remaining part, which is a proper fraction. So the answer for this question is 119 over 24. So when you subtract these two, you get a negative fraction, borrow 1 from the whole number part. Okay, that is important. Let's see here. 11 minus 7 is 4, and then I have to do 9 by 11 minus 5 by 13. So for this part, let's do the butterfly. This is 13 9s are 117, 11 5s are 55, and in the denominator 11 into 13 143. So what do we get here? This is 7 minus 5 2, and then 11 minus 5 6. So you have 62 over 143, which is a proper fraction because 62 is smaller than 143. So no need to do anything. Your answer is 4, the whole number part, and 62 over 143, which is the fractional part, and that is the answer for the question. Now let's see two more questions. 8 minus 2 is 6, and then we need to do 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Let's do the butterfly again. You can actually do the butterfly, or you can remove the common factor. 6 and 3 has a common factor 3, right? So 6 divided by 3 2, 3 divided by 3 1. And now do the butterfly like this. 5 minus 2 over 6 into 1 6, or 3 into 2 6. So you get 5 minus 2 3 upon 6, and that is 1 by 2. So your answer will be 6 followed by a 1 by 2, or 6.5 is the answer for this subtraction problem of mixed fractions. Likewise, the last one here, 9 plus 8, 17, and then you have to do 10 upon 13 plus 6 upon 7. 13 and 7 are co-prime, so butterfly again, this is 70 plus 13 6 are 78 over 13 7s are 91, and here I am getting 148 over 91. Now see, again an improper fraction. So what did I tell you? When you get an improper fraction, subtract like this, or you have to increase this number by 1. So this 17 becomes 18, and subtract 148 and 91. 148 minus 91 will be, this is 7 and this is 5. 57, right? So 57 and the denominator will be the same, 91, and this gives me the final answer for this addition problem. See friends, how quickly we can do it. Little bit of smart work, little bit of practice, and you get through such important concepts so easily. So friends, if you like this video of adding and subtracting the mixed numbers, do share it with all your friends on your WhatsApp groups, and if you are really enjoying the content of the channel, do subscribe it, and along with the subscribe button you have this bell icon. So if you click the bell icon, you will keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on this amazing channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Practice is what is required, so you need to do some practice of this concept, and this concept will become so easy for you. Let me know in the comments, did this concept work for you? All the best.